Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the most fun and exciting items for any party or event, the MOXMAY Balloon Column Kit. If you're looking to add some eye-catching decoration to your wedding, birthday party, baby shower, or any other celebration, this could be the perfect choice for you. This kit is often hailed as the best balloon column kit with balloons, and today we'll show you why. The MOXMAY Balloon Column Kit comes with everything you need to create stunning balloon towers that will elevate the atmosphere of your event. Each kit includes 100 vibrant balloons in a classy black, gold, and red color scheme, which will surely complement any theme you choose. Whether you're planning a romantic wedding or a lively birthday bash, the combination of these colors adds elegance and excitement to the space. One of the best features of this kit is how easy it is to assemble. You won't need to be an expert decorator or hire a professional. The package includes 2 sturdy base stands, 10 tubes, 10 connectors, and even clips and glue dots to help secure the balloons. The instructions are simple and clear, making the setup process quick and hassle-free. In just a few minutes, you can create impressive balloon columns that will leave your guests in awe. The balloon towers stand tall and firm thanks to the water-weighted base stands. This feature ensures that your creations stay in place throughout your event, even in a breezy outdoor setting. And if you're worried about the setup being too complicated, rest assured, the instructions guide you through every step, so you can focus on enjoying the process rather than stressing over the details. Customization is another huge benefit. You're not limited to just one look. The kit allows you to get creative with your balloon arrangements. Whether you want a simple column of balloons or a full-blown tower, you can adjust the design to match your style and needs. It's ideal for all kinds of occasions, from weddings to baby showers and gender reveals. The MOXMAY Balloon Column Kit makes it easy to create the perfect backdrop for photos, speeches, or simply as a focal point at your event. Plus, MOXMAY offers excellent customer service. If you happen to lose or break any part of the kit, they provide fast and easy replacements at no extra cost. That's peace of mind for anyone hosting a special occasion. All in all, the MOXMAY Balloon Column Kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to make their event extra special. With its easy assembly, customizable design, and reliable stability, you'll be able to create a stunning balloon display that will impress your guests and make your event unforgettable. So, if you're ready to add some festive flair to your next celebration, be sure to check out the MOXMAY Balloon Column Kit. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products to enhance your parties and everyday life. See you next time.